So the core idea in all of this is atoms, mass, energy, anything cannot be created or destroyed, cannot be done. So in this example question over here, your Mg plus O2 goes to MgO. Now, if the thing to do is you have to write it out. Mg plus O2 goes to MgO. Now, for me, the key part in all of this is the almost boundary is this arrow. So everything on the left is the reactants, it's what we had before. Everything on the right is what we had afterwards. And they cannot be different. You cannot destroy something. You cannot create something out of magic. And it's just impossible. So whatever you have on the left-hand side, you must have on the right-hand side. The other thing is, here we've given you the actual formulas of the compounds and elements. You can't change it. In other words, I can't change this number. I can't put a number here, and I can't put a number there, and I can't put a number there. We cannot change these numbers, and that's something that we looked at in terms of ionic formulas. So the idea is whatever I've got on my left-hand side, I should have on my right-hand side. And that's a very methodical way of doing it. So Mg, I really don't like this methodical way, but it works. But I'm going to show you as well. So magnesium's on the left is 1. Magnesium's on the right is 2. Is 1. And I'm really happy with that. On the left, oxygens, I've got 2. And on the right, oxygens, I've only got 1. And that's just not happy because they have to be the same. I've actually lost an oxygen atom. It's disappeared somewhere. And that can't happen. So I need to change this to a 2. And the only way to do it is to put a big 2 in front of there and double everything. We cannot put a 2 on the end. All right, so we double everything. And then go, right, so what have I got now? I've got 2 times 1 magnesium. I'm really happy. This is 2. I've got 2 times 1 oxygen. I'm really happy. That's 2. Well, hey! It's like, yeah, no. Because now I've got 2 magnesiums on the right-hand side. I've only got 1 on the left-hand side. And I can't have it. I need to, let's change colour. I'm going to go for a mini patini green. So this must be a 2. So I put a 2 in front of my Mg. Cannot put one down there. Cannot put a 2 down there. It has to be in front of it saying, I want 2 of everything in front of me. And on the right hand side, it says, I want 2 of MgO and O. I want to double everything here, like we would do in maths. Okay. Now, that's an explanation of how to balance equations. I'm just going to